Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this viral stuff literally everywhere changes everything. Stop scrolling, right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the design is pure genius, I was completely sold. It is super practical for everyday use because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. ea211 is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it sells out everywhere. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this viral stuff literally everywhere changes everything.